Hi, my name is Freddie Blicker, and I'm a Google Analytics consultant in Washington, D.C., and I teach Google Analytics for General Assembly. Today, I'm going to share three key components that will enhance how you use Google Analytics. Number one, website mission. Number two, website goals. And number three, key performance indicators. So let's talk about these three components. One, website mission. This is why your website exists. Your website mission is important because it helps you define the context of how you'll analyze your website. Think of this as your 30,000-foot view elevator pitch. Define your mission in simple, easy to understand terms. Two, website goals. These are the things you want your users to do on your website. Goals are important because they represent success on your site. For example, do you want your users to make a donation, buy a pair of shoes, download a PDF, or submit a form? Three, key performance indicators, or KPIs, are metrics used to measure the performance of your goals. KPIs are important because they help you understand how you're performing against your goals. We'll learn more about KPIs in this course, including conversion rates, cart abandonment rates, and bounce rate. To wrap up, the three key components that will enhance how you use Google Analytics are 1. Website mission, 2. Website goals, and 3. Key performance indicators. These will empower you to know why your website exists, how to achieve your goals, and how to measure your performance.